Hey guys, in today's video, I'm going to show you how to deposit money on Pocket Option with Binance. Let's begin. So once you open up Pocket Option, go to the top right corner, then select the green button which says Top Up. After selecting Top Up, go to the bottom here, then select Continue and Pay with that specific amount. And make sure where it says Payment Method that you select USDT. Afterwards, go to the right here and select Continue and Pay with that amount. Scroll down and you're going to see the address in which you can copy. So go to the right side here and select copy. Once you're done, we are going to open up Binance. Once Binance is open, go to the top right corner, then select this icon which looks like a document. Then go to the second option which says spot. At the top here, select withdraw. Now it says number 1, you're going to have to type in or find your specific cryptocurrency. I'm going to use USDT. And then here you're simply going to right click and then paste in the address that we copied from Pocket Option. And then you can also select your network. I'm going to use TRX. And then once you're happy with everything and then you've checked the amounts that you want to withdraw, go to the bottom here and select withdraw. And there you go. I hope this video was helpful for you and I'll see you in the next one.